Hello there, this is Af from Minimate Restock. In this video, I want to show how you can enable customer restock notification with our app. After creating your waitlist form, if you want to send automatic email when the product is back in stock, you just need to come customer restock notification, turn on the email alert. After turning on, you can also edit email details and email content. Let's go through email details first and then we can talk about the email body. Subject, if you want to edit the subject, you just need to click on this icon and change the text, write your own words. Option to email notification sender, you can send it from Minimate apps or you can prefer to send it from your own domain. To edit it, again, you need to click on this icon. You can customize your domain with email verification or domain verification. Custom domain verification is easier. You just need to click this, select this custom email verification, type your email address. Let's do it together. apps.com, and then click on send verification email. After this, you will receive an email with the verification link. When you click on that, everything will be done. If you want to use your domain verification, you need to write your domain here and then create the DNS record. After that, you have to copy this and paste it to your uh, domain provider. It takes more time and needs some technical knowledge. So to edit all the other name and reply to this email, you can just do it by clicking those. When you come onto email body, you just need to click on the block. After that, change everything from here. You can change the color, text, font, alignment, etc. If you want to add more block additional to those, or if you want to, for example, you want to delete this image, just click on that. And if you want to add another image block, you can come here and you can edit the block from here. You can also add social media link and click on the block and add some social media or delete by just clicking this. Don't forget to copy your link to here. So once you're done with everything, you can save it. If you want to send test email before sending out to your client, you just need to click on send test email, fill in information and send it to yourself. So this is it for this part. I will see you in another videos.